9999 official. Hey, official. This is songs.
Ladies and gentlemen, Harrison Tyrell Curie is my name, known as Harry Song, aka Mr. Song, Mr. Better Picking, Mr. Ofishe, Mr. Colombo, Mr. Yes, I'm from Delta State, the Warri Southwest Local Government. I'm an Ijo boy, and you are welcome to my episode of My Music. And I,
Mr. Song, Colombo, baby wala Colombo.
Bless. I'm signed under 5 Star Music. That's the record label. This is about my album, and we're working on the album right now. We're gonna have like 60 songs, and we'll pick 19 from the 60. It's a tough one.
Colombo, Colombo.
Yes, we'll be talking about 6 songs off the album. Let's say Better Picking.
Better Picking. You look like your mama picking.
Better Picking, produced by Del B, also co-produced by Dr. Amir. Better Picking, and inspiration behind the song. I wrote that song for someone else, and God bless Casey, God bless the 5 Star team, and it was one piece I put together for the women around the world, in Africa and the world at large, to be a blessing. And today, that song is also a blessing to my life.
Colombo, baby wala Colombo.
I wrote Colombo at the airport after chatting with a lady that had Colombolicious and some other things written on her clothes, and I was inspired. A very pretty lady though, and we talked where she hailed from, the kind of things they do. They have a Colombo dance, they have Colombo festival. It was my first time to hear those things, and I was inspired by the old chats and the things she talked about in her place. So I wrote the song at the airport, got back to Lagos. I don't know if you even wait 2-3 hours after I just did my dinner. I went to the studio, and here we have Colombo. I'm in Love will sure be on the album. I was sad when I wrote the song, Love Song. I just left, we broke up my relationship, and I wrote I'm in Love. And the inspiration behind that song, I can't say it was mixed feelings. It was like, okay, I wasn't happy, but I have to be happy, and it's a blessing. It's a blessing for me. It was produced also by Del B. I'm in Love.
Listen to my story. Now you see the
Story is another song. I was inspired by the good things that God has done in my life, keep doing in my life, and where I'm coming from. The whole story about how I grew up. My life is the inspiration behind Story song. It was produced by Dr. Amir. Story, that story.
hey, official. This is songs.
Ofishe will be on the album. How did I get Ofishe? Ofishe was inspired by a bassline, folk song bassline, that we used to play when I was still in Delta State. The inspiration behind that song was just a mid-tempo reggaeton dance. Let's say a reggaeton that has the feel of a high life song. You understand? So it was let's call it an infusion.
Shakala, Shakala, 5 Star Music. Baby, why you know give me that?
You know, give me that. Working on the remix of Sia also with one of the South African artists, and it's sure going to be on the album, basically, and some other songs that we're also working on.
My sugar, I know not another.
Challenges trying to put the album together. Why it's taking this long is because we've been dropping singles, and the brand is stepping from this level to the other level, rebranding, repackaging, and it's working for us. And all the singles we'll be dropping, they've been working. To whom much is given, much is expected. We don't want to drop the album on the standard of just I'm in Love. We don't want to drop it on the standard of just Better Picking or Colombo or Ofishe. The more the singles are blowing up, we have to meet up that standard and meet up that expectation. People that I would love to work with on the album, even singles, dropping singles. I think I would like P-Square to also be on the album. They've been big bros in the industry for a very long time. Flavor to also be on the album. My friends, Inyanya, Praise to be on the album. Don Jazzy to be on the album. David to be on the album. These are people that are my friends, that are my colleagues, that I know they work hard, and they also inspire me one way or the other as Harry Song. So basically, we're all going to try our best to make sure we come up with something very good. Internationally, I've said it before, I want to work with Timbaland, not for him to just do anything much, just make the beat and I'll just write and voice. I'm just looking forward to just work with Timbaland. It's going to come to pass very soon.
Colombo, Mr. Songs. Colombo, Baby Wala Colombo.
Even before 5 Star, I've been known as a writer, as a singer and a writer. In 5 Star, as a company, it's like a family also. You know, we work together, we work as a team. Casey can bring the hook of the song, and I'm writing the verse of the song. Skibby is bringing one other melody. So we work as a team. Not that the credit is going to go to one person and say, this is the person that is writing it. So we work as one family.
You look like your mama picking. See as your body, the popcorn picking. It be like say you disability. Fine.
My best and worst performance. My best performance ever. The last Calabar Carnival, the last one that just passed. Okay, no, I just came from Benin, and Ofeshe is just like 2 months, maybe 3 months old. I know, and my best performance I would say is just in Benin. It was amazing. Then worst performance. Worst performance is just that when you're performing and people are just looking at you. Some get together they did a hotel December that I did. I didn't after when I left stage, I left quiet. It was too quiet, you know. They were just like, come do your thing and just leave, you know. That kind of performance.
Baby of life, too fine, Sakala.
We're still recording, or we're going to drop like 2-3 singles before the album will drop. The album is going to drop at the last quarter of this year, so we still have time to still be dropping singles and videos. So expect like 2-3 singles and videos before the album. All right, so basically and some collaborations also before the album will drop. All right, I'm single. I'm not searching. I'm focusing on this, on my business and trying to achieve this. I'm very busy with this work. I don't want to mix it up with any other thing. And thanks to the best fans in the world. God bless all of you. You guys are the best. You know. Thank you for all of you that loving Harry Song, Mr. Songs, and for all the officials out there. Get ready. This is my birth month. All right. I'm March 30th. So everything you wish for yourself, wish your boy. Because I wish you the best. And I wish you love. My name is Harry Song, Mr. Song. It's my music and I am Sound City Cha. You're feeling the vibe. Cha. Stay positive. Official. I got you, baby. Thank you.